Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, we will discuss about Animoto Free Trial. Animoto is an online video editing tool, so you do not need to install it on your laptop or computer like other video editing softwares. You can log into your Animoto account and start creating videos. In this video, we will see what are the features of free and paid plans, how to sign up for Animoto Free Plan. We will also create one simple video using Animoto video editing tool. What are the disadvantages of this tool and is it worth buying Animoto? And we will also see what are the alternatives. So let's start with the video. Alright, so we are on the website of Animoto, that is animoto.com. So this is how the website is. Now let's see the features of this tool. Here is the features option. You can go to features and here you will see all the features included with this tool. The first and the best feature is the stock library. More than 1 million photos and video clips in their stock library, so you can use any image or any video clip from their stock library. So even if you do not have any image or even if you do not have any video clip, you can still use their stock library and create your own video. Now you can also upload your own images and video clips to create video. Now the third feature is create it anywhere, as it is not a software based tool and you do not need to install it on your computer. You just need to sign up to their website, log into their website and start creating videos. So you can do it from anywhere. You can do it from any laptop, any computer, or even from your mobile also. The next one is music library. There are definitely many songs that you can use to create your video background music. Now they also have time-saving templates. So there are some templates included with the free trial as well as the paid trials. You can use the templates to create your videos. Text and fonts, there are around 40 fonts that you can choose from. Unlimited video creation, this is one of the functions they have given to free as well as paid plan also. So even if you are going for a free plan, you will be able to create unlimited videos within this free plan. Now the next is logo watermark. You can create your logo and keep that logo on the video, so it will be like a watermark of your brand. The next one you can see remove Animoto branding. That is only for the paid plan. If you are going for a free plan, then you won't be able to remove the Animoto branding from their video. So whatever video you are going to create, there will be logo, or you can say Animoto branding on each of the video. Now here you can see brand color, so you can customize your text and background color on every video to match your branding or color. Now they have given you cropping and trimming option also, so you can trim your footage, crop your photos and adjust the timing of your media without ever leaving the software. Now this is a lifetime license. If you're using free, you can use it free for a lifetime also. The next one you can see here that you can share your video on social media as well as you can put it on your website. It will generate embed link. You can simply use that link and embed the video on your website also. You can also download the video and save it on a flash drive, or you can burn it on a DVD player also. So these are the features of Animoto. Now let's see how to sign up for the free trial. So if you go to website, here you will see sign up free. You can click on it and it is going to ask you for the email address, so you can enter the email address. This email address will be your login. So I'm just entering my email address here and you can create a password and click on create an account. Now it is asking me what is the purpose of logging, what is the purpose of signing up for Animoto. So I'll just use personal use. Okay, so you're already on the dashboard of Animoto. So this is a very simple dashboard. You can see here all the templates are here, new, popular, So you can choose any of the template. Let's try this one. Now we are going to create one simple video. So let's try this one here. Now it is asking me to choose a template, so click on it and we will choose a template. Now it is saying that upload photos and videos to start customizing this template. So as I do not have any image or any video clip, so I'm just clicking on skip, and I'm going to use their images and photos. So let's skip this one also. Okay, so here you can see this. Let's try. Okay, so you can see this is the first clip, this one is the second clip. So what you need to do, you need to simply click on it. You can remove this image and you can use your own image there. So you're going to replace this image with your own image. If you do not have image, you can keep the same one and use it. Let's undo. Now this is the video clip. The first video clip is here. Here is some text. You can go ahead and change the text. Change the text. So I'm just using change the text. If you want, you can change the background color also. Here is the color. You can change the background color of this one also. Let's try this one. Let's put it back to this one. Okay, this is the video clip here. Now this is the second slide. This is the third slide. You can see another video clip is here. Alright, so this is the fourth one, fifth one and sixth one. Now this is the template they have given. So we are going to use this template and create one video. And if you want to change, you can simply start from the scratch also. You can upload your videos and clips and save them on this template. Now let's see, we are going to create it. Now here you can see project. You can click or drag and drop to upload here. So you can click on it and select the videos and photos. They all will come here in this panel. You will see all the videos and images. This is the stock option. From here you can choose stock images and videos. Okay, you can mark them favorite and they will come here. So this is how the dashboard will look like. Now if you want to export, simply click on export. Now before that we are going to use a music for this one. So let's click on music and try one of the music. Simply try this one. Apply. Click on apply. Okay, so let's play it now. Now it's going to take some time to render the videos, and after that it will start playing the video. Now as I'm using this free plan, there will be a watermark of Animoto. So there will be Animoto branding on my video all throughout the video. Okay, so you can see, you can hear the music also. Alright, so this is how you can create videos. Basically this is just a combination of you can say slides. It's going to combine the slides. You won't get all the features like the other video editing softwares. You cannot add effects. You cannot add what you can say, transitions between these slides. So let's try to export this video. So I'm going to click on download. I'm going to download this video. Okay, so you can see that there is, to remove Animoto watermark we need to upgrade. So I'm just using it for fun purpose, so I'm not going to pay anything for this one. So it's still creating the video. Alright, so the video is downloaded and you can see the video playing here. Now you see this Animoto branding is there. So if you are using a free plan, then you will always see this branding on all the videos that create using free plan. So for me, the free plan is not useful, because if you are creating video for YouTube, or if you are creating videos for business, then there is no need of any third-party branding on your video. So it is basically useless if you are using a free plan for a business. Now let's check the pricing of this Animoto. The first one is a free plan, and the second one is a professional plan, and the third one is a team plan. Now here you can see the pricing in rupees. Let me change it to dollar. Now here you can see the pricing on my website. The free plan is absolutely free. Anybody can log in and go ahead for the free plan. And let's see the features of the free plan. You can create unlimited videos, and the standard quality of the video will be 720, so it will not be HD video. You can use up to 50 music tracks, 3 standard fonts, and 30 color swatches, and it is available on desktop and iOS also. So this is all about the free plan. Now the pricing for the professional plan is $15 per month, and it will be billed as $180 for a year. If you go for if you go for monthly plan, then it will cost you around $29 per month. Now let's see what are the features of the professional plan. You can see you can use up to unlimited videos. 720 pixel is the standard quality for the professional plan also, but I think you can use HD quality, that is 1080p also. And you can see the other features also. There will not be any Animoto branding on your videos if you go for a paid plan, and you can use up to 1 million plus photos and videos from their stock library. So, and you can also use 3000 plus licensed music tracks for your videos, and up to 40 professional fonts are there. Now about team, you will get all the features of the professional plan, and you can create up to 3 users. So if you are a team, then you can create up to 3 different users to use this plan. So this is all about the pricing of this Animoto. Now let's see what are the advantages and disadvantages of this video editing tool. Now you will see all the details on my website also. Let's discuss about the advantages first. Now this is an online video editing tool, so you do not need to install it on your computer. This is one of the advantage of this tool. You can access your account from anywhere and from any computer. So this is one of the advantage, and you can use the stock library. Your videos will be saved on the cloud server, and many templates you can use from their stock. And even if you do not have video clips or images, you can use clips from their stocks also. And basically this is drag and drop kind of video editing tool, so no technical knowledge is required, and you can create unlimited videos in free plan also. Now let's discuss about the disadvantages. The big disadvantage of using Animoto is their branding on all the videos. Like Filmora free, if you are going to use free Filmora software, then there will be watermark of Filmora on each video created by free plan, so that is also of no use. So the Animoto branding is going to be the big disadvantages for the free plan. If you want to remove that, then you will need to go for a paid plan. Now this is basically good for small videos. If you are going to create larger videos, then this is of no use, because there are no other features like the professional video editing softwares. You won't be able to use effects and transitions and other zoom in, zoom out kind of functions on any video in Animoto. And if you are using free plan, then it will be limited to 720 pixel quality, so you won't be able to create HD videos using the free plan also. So these are basically the disadvantages of Animoto. Now what are the alternatives? You can see there are many video editing softwares that you can use for. There are some free tools also and some paid tools also. Personally, I use Filmora video editing tool, and this is basically professional video editing tool. You will get all kinds of features. You can see here, transition is there, effects are there, elements are there. You can use split screens and other high-end features. The Filmora is going to cost you $69 only for a lifetime access. So basically, I think spending $29 for a month without any feature, Filmora is better, anytime better than Animoto. Apart from Filmora, there are many other video editing tools. You can see the list is here on my website also. So if you are looking for small videos for fun, then I suggest you can go for the free plan of Animoto. And I don't think there is any point in paying $15 per month for any online video editing tool. Instead of that, you can invest something more and get a professional video editing tool. There are some video editing tools that you can also access free, install on your computer for free without any watermark also. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.